Hey guys, so I'm here and I just got my fake flowers. They just came in and I wanted to kind of see how they look. I'm gonna rip this open here and show you guys how it looks. I have a little vase here because I want to put them in a vase and kind of make them look like real flowers. And so, okay, sweet. So it comes with a whole bunch of them. It comes with, oh man, so I got a bouquet of the yellows, a bouquet of purple, a bouquet of pink. And so it comes with 2 of each. So 2 whites, 2 pinks, 2 purples, and then 2 yellows. So I'll take it out of here. And so they're kind of, each one has kind of 2 bouquets here. And how it works is they kind of sit there spread. I probably want to use a lower glass, but how it works is a little bit like this. And this is how it would look. I mean, I have, let me see, I have a smaller glass right here. So how it works is I would fill up with some water. And then, for example, this is how it really would look with a smaller glass. So that's nice. Look, like this, I really like it. And so these are kind of how they look. Let me put one more color here so then you can see kind of what it looks like. Yeah, so this is nice. I could set this on the counter somewhere and that would look really nice. And it comes with 2 sets of each of the colors. And then inside of these 2 sets, there's 2 separate ones. So it comes with 4 little bouquets of each one. So that's cool. And I got all the colors here. And as you can see, they look great. So I'm giving it a thumbs up.